Unlock the full potential of your Canon EOS R10 by transforming it into a high-quality webcam for professional streaming and crystal-clear video calls. First, you'll need to download and install the Canon EOS Webcam utility software on your computer. Simply navigate to Canon's official website, find the support section for your R10, and locate the EOS Webcam utility download page. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. This process is straightforward and typically takes only a few moments. With the software installed, connect your Canon EOS R10 to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure it's a data transfer cable, not just a charging cable, for stable connectivity. Before moving to your computer, set your Canon EOS R10 to movie mode. This optimizes the camera for video output and ensures the best quality for your webcam feed. Now, open your preferred video conferencing application, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or OBS Studio. Navigate to the camera or video settings within the application. From the list of available cameras, select EOS Webcam Utility. You should immediately see the live feed from your Canon EOS R10 appear, signifying a successful connection. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your Canon EOS R10 into a high-quality webcam, ready to elevate your video calls, streams, and content creation with professional-grade visuals.